Mommy opened the edge for you to make it a little easier, okay? Can you do it, babe? What's in there, boo-boo? You don't have to rip it, sweetie. Okay, if you want to. Sienna, can't you help him? Can't you help, you lazy girl? You're a lazy little thieving little girl. You're just waiting to pounce and steal something, huh? Ooh, big boy. Jerky. You love jerky. Are you in the mood to eat it? Let him eat it, Sienna. I know, Sienna. But just let him do it today, okay? Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, Rufus. Yes, look at big boy. Look at. Please, wait, Sienna. Please eat it. Please eat it. Yes. Look at him a little bit too. Yay, Rufus, you like it? I'm so happy. You can't eat. Don't steal his. Sienna, that was rude.